Today's video is going to be a gentle reminder about gratitude and gratefulness. We need this reminder often in our lives to preach ourselves the value of gratitude. Gratitude is a seed, something that has to be planted in our minds, nurtured with kindness and appreciation. It is not something to harvest, but it is something to cherish forever. A feeling that provides us with the greatest gifts every time, every day, every minute. It is a way of expressing what we are thankful of and appreciating even the littlest things we have got in our life. A lot of times we feel not enough, unappreciative of what we have, and ungrateful of what we've got. Even I feel the same way sometimes. But with some good self-reflection, I have realized how blessed I am and how many thank yous I've got in debt. Gratitude isn't hard to bring into our lives. It is just a perspective shift. From not enough to enough. From unappreciative to appreciative. And from ungrateful to grateful. Look around you and feel grateful for whatever you have got. It can be even the tiniest thing, but feel thankful. Shift your perspective from empty to abundance. The more grateful you feel, the more doors you open to receive. Now say after me, thank you for all that I have got in my life. I am grateful to everything around me. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Lots of love from my end.